This video are for people that wants to make money but don't know how to go about it. I've always wanted to increase my financial status and earn more online. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Odofia Prince. I'm a digital marketer and also an OAP, on-air personality. What I'll be teaching you today is going to actually change your life from making zero or having zero knowledge to making 300, at least $300 monthly. Now, what I'll be teaching you today is affiliate marketing. I would like to take it step by step. I would like to break it down to you. I would like to explain it to you in a way that you will understand. Making money online is actually easy, but the way we see it without having a proper knowledge of it makes us think it is what they made us believe it is. So then I don't have any knowledge of it. I don't have any single knowledge of how it works. So I was introduced to a Ponzi scheme by a friend who claims that he gets paid online. I invested in Ponzi schemes. The question is, how can you make money online? Now, when you talk about making money, or whenever you think of making money, think of a value you are going to render in exchange of money. Now, we all know that money is an exchange value. Money is an exchange value. You have to give value in exchange of money. So, I just want you to change your mindset. Now, making money online is when you bring 2 million and they'll promise you 2 billion. No, most of us don't understand how making money online works. That's why we get scammed. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification button. So whenever I post videos like this, you get notified. And make sure you also like so other people will get to see this video and learn from it. Just like a doctor who has to treat the patient to get paid, and like a teacher to sell her knowledge to her students to get paid, and like a trader who has to sell his or her products to her customers or his customers to get paid. Value can be in form of the skills you offer, the product you offer, the service you offer. I'll focus more on skills. We have different types of digital skills. We have graphic designing, we have video editing, we have data analysis, we have AI automation, we have website building, we have affiliate marketing. This brings us back to the main topic. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is all about selling people's products to get a commission. An affiliate brings the buyer and the seller together for his important commission. For example, I know most of us used to see all these posts on our WhatsApp every morning. Girls selling clothes, shoes, and eyeglass, a lot of things, glasses and all. Mostly, they are not the owner of those products, but they post them, they bring it to you. Then, when you order, they will now go and meet the seller, get it for you, and get their commission. That's how it works. It's just like Jumia. Jumia are not the owner of those products. They only brought the buyer, which is you, to the seller. When they sell to you, they get commission.